Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see different solutions to repair our Windows 10 system when it does not work properly. Chapter 1: How to repair Windows 10 using safe mode. To start, you must access the automatic repair function, which is active in Windows 10. For this, you can restart the PC 3 times or press the F8 key during the restart. You can see how automatic repair and diagnostics of the computer starts. Normally in Windows 10, when using this option, we will always see this error. In that case, you will click on the Advanced button to go to the available menu. To be able to access the safe mode, you will first click on Troubleshoot. Then you will click on Advanced Options. In the main menu, you must click on the Startup Settings option. Then you will click on the Restart button. When the system has restarted, you can make use of a series of options. For our example, we are going to press the F4 key to make use of safe mode. After this, we will log into Windows 10 but using safe mode. If you log on, it means that the computer can boot normally and possibly some process is affecting the system startup. We simply restart Windows to access the environment normally. Chapter 2: How to repair Windows 10 repairing system startup. For this case, it will be necessary to access the Advanced Start. To achieve this, you will click on the Power Off button, then press the Shift key, and then click on Restart. This will cause Windows 10 to start in an advanced way. The next step will be to click on Troubleshoot. After this, you will click on Advanced Options. In the main menu, you will click on Startup Repair. When we click there, it will be necessary to select our username and enter its password. Then it will start the automatic repair and diagnosis of the computer to find faults that affect its use. Chapter 3: How to repair Windows 10 by restoring the system. Being in the Advanced Options, you will click on Troubleshoot. Then you will click on Advanced Options. In the main menu, you will click on System Restore. In the wizard that opens, you will need to select the desired restore point. You will be a summary of the process to be carried out. It will be warned that this process has no reverse, and when we finish the system, we'll go to the selected date. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Click on Continue and we can access Windows 10 normally. Chapter 4: How to repair Windows 10 from terminal. For this case, we must access the Advanced Start. For this, you will click on the Power Off button, then press the Shift key, and finally, you will click on Restart. This will cause Windows 10 to start in an advanced way. In the drop-down menu, we will click on Troubleshoot. Then you will click on Advanced Options to see the various possibilities of use. There you will click on Command Prompt. First, what you are going to perform is an analysis of the Windows file system. In the console, enter the command you see on the screen. When you press the Enter key, you must wait for the analysis to finish. Now you are going to perform a comprehensive scan of the hard drive to find and repair failures. To do this, in the console, enter the command you see on the screen. You should wait a bit for the whole analysis to finish. When the scan process is complete, exit the console with the Exit command. There you will click on Continue so that you see that Windows 10 loads correctly. Chapter 5: How to repair Windows 10 resetting PC. This is the last resort if none of the above works. For this case, we must access the Advanced Start. To do this, you will click on the Power Off button, then press the Shift key and then click on Restart. This will cause Windows to start in that mode. Now you are going to click on Troubleshoot. Then you'll click Reset this PC. You are going to indicate if you want your files to be deleted or not. Then select the user and now enter the password of this. Now you are going to select the type of installation to use. Wait for the initial process to finish, and then click Reset. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.